Our company's named Iota Motion, and what we're trying to do is develop a technology that will assist in, that would be useful for patients who are receiving a cochlear implant, to not only allow them perhaps a better chance at preserving their residual hearing, but then to also treat or to enhance the benefit they get from the implant if they lose further hearing.
Our company is called Cinder Bio, and we are working in the cancer cell separation field. So we are providing a solution to enable cancer tissue to be prepared for genetic testing more efficiently and in a very novel way.
The name of my company is called Iota Motion. We study the next generation of anti-cancer drugs based on naturally occurring compounds. Many anti-cancer drugs have horrible side effects, and some of the cancer drugs works well for a short period of time, then drug resistance develops and the drug lost effectiveness. We try to solve this type of problem, and in particular we want to solve the problems such as some of the cancers without effective drug therapies.
This technology is one where we've developed a biomaterial membrane that can be used for various cardiovascular applications, specifically for heart valves and for making artificial vascular grafts. Vascular grafts are basically artificial arteries.
We've won some pitch competitions and some other very small funding things, and then of course UI Foundation, UI Ventures, we received gap funding, which was very helpful and critical to moving it forward, and then we also got some funding from the state to help the company move forward. We have worked with UI Venture staff. They have been tremendous. They have given us mentorship and how to start up a company, given us a lot of guidance, I mean hand-holding ways of just how to get things started and how to move it forward. And they've helped us secure this funding as well as guided us with other sources of funding. They've guided us to classes that we need to take and to even some of the initial federal grants that we'll be applying for.
No, the gap funding was the primary driver of what we were able to pull off in this project. I can fairly say that without the UI Foundation, UI Research Foundation's efforts, we wouldn't be where we are today. So I'm very excited to be working with them.
UI Ventures has been really helpful in really guiding us through the business side of this entire process. They've helped us establish a timeline and set goals and milestones for how to move forward with forming a company and reaching out and making contacts with outside vendors, and really given us the confidence to know how to start going in this new direction with this idea.
My major support actually comes from the VP's office and from UR Venture and the URRF, and these are my biggest supporters. And when I lost my funding and during that most difficult period of the time, the GAP Fund really helped my research, and we're getting more funding now from the federal, from state, and from industry.